can be rated with a grade. It is as if when someone studies, you pay them some money for what they do. And rating with grades is rating with money. And degrading and failing is the same as Moïse says. After you've done your job, it is as if you don't get paid for what you've done because it was not pleasing to the teacher who acts like the teacher is God. A God that is actually not a just one that is requiring something very fake and something that's not in our real life. So inshallah we will see this kind of Yosen and Al-Bukhari University and our universities, and I recommend, as Moni has helped us out, that you should get help from him too, where you start a few classes like Multiversity is doing, and some of your institutions in your own classes with your own students to create this hope and wisdom in people and not kill it. And not so that we will be remembered as teachers who acted like dictators, who were ruthless to learning and knowledge. I just want to end with a story from Mevlana, the Persian poet, who is also Turkish, with our brother Ibrahim Pur here. There is a story that he says, thank you to Hussein Satori who found it for me, that there is a mosquito who goes to Solomon, or Suleiman, Payambar Suleiman, and tells them that, complains about the wind. And Suleiman says, I can't listen to your complaints without the two of you being together here. You should bring the wind over and I will listen to you both. So the mosquito calls the wind, and the wind comes with like a stormy kind of force, comes to to where Suleiman was sitting. As soon as the wind comes, the mosquito is blown away. And Suleiman says, well, where did you go? And the mosquito says, this is my problem. Whenever the wind is here, I can't exist. It blows me away. So I think, and if you read Mounir's article, he talks about the alternatives that he's asked about. What alternatives do we have to this education? He says, forget about the alternatives. The real truth is in what we have in ourselves. That is not what we call indigenous, because if it's indigenous, it is something, again, lower than what the normal is. It's less than what the natural is. It is the wisdom that each one of us has that should exist. And that is what, inshallah, God will instill in all of us and has. It is just that we should open it up and look at it, see it, and believe in it. So I congratulate all of you for being here and for working on this very difficult mission that we all have, that is the teaching and educating of our children. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Susan. We would now like to invite Yang Bahagia Professor Tan Sri Datu Zulkifli Abdul Razak to deliver his keynote speech on incorporation of local knowledge and sustainability principles in universities' curricula worldwide.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum, a greeting of peace and a very good afternoon. Once again, I would like to thank you for coming and staying on for this 2 sessions of keynote addresses. I know it has been a long day, and I don't intend to go through the entire paper.